Martens here, your Edmonton real estate expert. Today we are going to be touring this Homes by Avi. Fantastic front double attached home. It is over 2,000 square feet and it is in the Uplands community, which is in West Edmonton. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are coming back, of course, we love having you. So make sure you stick around because I'm going to take y'all on a tour and we're going to check this out to see how much it is, how great it is, and learn a little bit more about what these guys have to offer. If you're considering a relocation to Edmonton, make sure you reach out below, contacts below, to find out everything you need to know about Edmonton real estate. Me and my team, we are the ones. Let's get in there and check it out. So thanks for coming on that tour with me. That was the Fullerton. It's almost 2,100 square feet. And what you're going to see inside of this one, so the base price at that square footage is, they've got a promotion on right now for $480,000. It normally is, I believe, $510,000, but there is $80,000 worth of upgrades in there. So you will see the chevron floors, you're going to see the spindles in the staircase, there's recessed lighting, there's undermount sink lighting, there's built-ins for the master ensuite, fireplace built-ins in the main living room. So with all of that, all in, you're probably $560 still with the promotion right now. So if you have any questions, again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click below. Leanna Martens, real estate relocation expert, and make sure you follow, share, like, and follow. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.